Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So with all this consideration I came here, and I think I'm successful.
Doesn't seem like very many converts in that amount of time. How many followers other than... Pardon me, please.
That's right.
How many followers are there within it? Just 100?
Little more than 100.
Well, wait.
Well, these are initiates who are strictly following. Of course, more and more people come to the temple. More people join us.
How many temples are there?
We have got 13 temples.
How many?
13.
13?
One in this Los Angeles, one San Francisco, one New York, one Santa Fe, one Buffalo, one Boston, one Montreal, one Vancouver, Seattle, Columbus, and then London, Hamburg, in this way, Hawaii.
Well, there's got to be more than 100 people in 13 temples.
Yes. Yes, more than 100. Yes.
I don't know.
Yes, I've got least. There's more than 100.
That would only be an average of 10 per temple.
Yes. Here we have got about 20 heads in this temple.
But 20 here. Yes. Now, where does the money come from to print Godhead?
God sends.
Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, but God doesn't write checks and stuff like that. I'm just sort of curious. And I must say that
God dictates you and you pay. That's all.
I must say that answer to that question is a very ambivalent answer.
Yes. I came here, you will be surprised. I came here with $7 only. And the whole establishment expenditure is not less than, I think, $5,000 monthly. At least.
That's $60,000 a year. Well, I mean, is it donated?
Do you think 5,000 is very minimum? I think it is more than that.
I have no idea.
Yes. Because we are paying, this temple we are paying 400, simply rent. Similarly, each and every place we are paying 300, 400 rent.
Well, do people come to the services who are not disciples?
Yes. No, we allow everyone, come on.
Yeah.
Chant, take prasadam, we offer this prasadam. Chant, dance, hear Bhagavad-gita, and take prasadam and go home.
Yeah. And in other words, so that if they want to donate something, they donate?
Yes. We ask donation, that we are simply depending on donation. If you like, you can pay.
Yes.
You pay.
Yes. And is that how the magazine is published?
Magazine also, we take to the market and put it for sale. People purchase. So actually, we have no steady fund.
Oh, you don't?
No. It's simply depending on Krishna. But by the grace of Krishna, our movement is increasing. It is not decreasing.
That's good.
Yes.
That's fine. I just, I'm curious about this because it's a beautiful magazine.
So really try to help us.
Pardon?
Try to help this movement. Your America, there are so many rich men. If somebody comes and helps this movement, one or two, we can make very steady progress. They have no money. They're struggling very hard. This boy is professor in the university. So whatever he is earning, he is spending for this. Similarly, all the boys, whatever they earn, they spend. But that is not sufficient, you see. We require to make propaganda. We cannot sufficiently publish this magazine. We want to publish it at least 50,000 per month. But there is no money. You see. We are publishing at most 5,000.
It's blowing the show for
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama